Here, bud.
This is too heavy.
This doesn't even stick on anything.
It's supposed to go
Got it?
shirt.
Don't stick there.
No, Ed, it's... Read the directions.
Iron Man. What we got here? How's this supposed to work?
Let me
Oh,
see.
don't look at it.
There you go. Just like that, Stormy. Let me see it.
I'm Captain America.
You took it off. Let me see it.
Yeah, but it doesn't have
Give
a...
it here. No, because you... It clips... Here. It clips on you. Like... How did you take it off? Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.